Ito po ay konting kwento, no? So, when I was very young, ngayon pa naman, young pa rin naman tayo, my father used to tell me that in the early 60s, nagkaroon ng conflagration in, ang tawag nila dati doon, Azcárraga. Sino nakakalam po ano ang Azcárraga? Ngayon po ay Recto Avenue. So the whole almost 6 to 8 blocks were conflagrated with fire. So after that, nagkaroon po ng pulong yung mga Chinese community, the Chinese businessmen in there, at nagbuo po ng fire volunteer. Doon po nagsimula, 1964. Ayan. So, hindi ko po alam, during that time, kinikwento po ng aking father, that yun nga, nasunog daw pong Binondo, and malaki raw grabe ang pagkasunog.